Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into one of the most advanced consumer 3D printers to hit the market, the Creality K2 Plus Combo. Before we get started, make sure to check the link below to grab this printer today at the best discounted price, because deals on flagship 3D printers like this don't last long. Speedy emoji, blazing fast print speeds. The K2 Plus Combo is built to push printing speeds up to 600 mm per second, which is dramatically faster than traditional consumer printers. This means you can go from concept to finished model in a fraction of the time, ideal for rapid prototyping or batch production. Despite the speed, the printer maintains excellent accuracy and detail thanks to its next-gen direct drive extruder and ultra-stable motion system. Artist palette emoji, multicolor printing with CFS. One of its biggest selling points is the new Creality filament system, CFS, which enables multicolor printing with smooth filament switching. This feature opens up creative possibilities for producing stunning multicolor models, signage, art, and custom prototypes without having to manually change filaments mid-print. The CFS system is intelligently managed by the printer's firmware, so color changes are seamless and automated. Gear emoji, smart features and reliability. The K2 Plus Combo comes fully loaded with modern convenience features, including full auto bed leveling for consistent first layers, dual Z-axis for rock-solid stability, resonance compensation for vibration-free prints at high speeds, filament runout detection and power loss recovery to prevent failed prints. These features combine to deliver reliable, hands-off printing so you can focus on designing rather than babysitting your machine. Brain emoji, easy operation and connectivity. With its large touchscreen interface and intuitive UI, setting up and managing prints is straightforward even for beginners. It also supports Wi-Fi and cloud printing, so you can send models to your printer remotely from your PC or phone and monitor print progress in real time. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is a game-changing 3D printer for hobbyists and professionals alike. It delivers blazing speed, advanced multicolor printing, and rock-solid reliability, making it perfect for anyone who wants to step up their 3D printing game. If you're looking for a high-performance, future-ready 3D printer, this is an excellent choice. Fire emoji, check the link below to grab this 3D printer today at the best discounted price and unlock your full creative potential.